Hello, welcome back to another episode of the Fakefluencer production blog. This is episode 6. First of all, I'd like to thank this month's collaborators. To the newcomers, international collaborators, nice one to Meaty Okra for helping us get our first product placement in the supermarket scene. You can check out his music by scanning the code on the soup cans in that scene. Welcome to Usalid and Mystical Oats, also getting involved. Looking forward to seeing what we can do together. And there's a funny backstory there. You guys were interacting with Bitman over a year ago, and recently you were talking with Tom Gillespie on Twitter, and you noticed that there was something fishy going on, so you were, I think, the first ones to reach out to us directly to find out what the hell was going on, so very keen to see what we're going to do together. To our volunteer actors and actresses, you know who you are. Thanks a million. Marlin for playing Frida to help us finalise the scene with Tom interviewing Bitman's mother. Special thanks to Moa for doing a stellar job as Little Miss Chicken Face, one of the influencers that Tom interviews online. To Marion, great job becoming the character Leslie. Couldn't be further away from your natural self. Appreciate you taking the time to make that work. Mons and Frey, the recent skate park scene, excellent job. Both of you guys, clearly you took the time to learn your lines, and you did a stellar performance considering how bloody cold it was out there. So thanks for sticking in there, and that also goes for Alex and Mika on sound and vision. Thanks for taking the time, guys. I know it was bloody freezing, but you guys were great. Thanks to all of you guys for your contributions over the past few weeks. And a very special thanks to Adriana for helping get those conversations started with potential media collaborations. As many of you perhaps have noticed, we're putting Tom into the mainstream media now to start promoting his documentary.
She's the mother of Yahweh.
Okay.
And we're hoping that she gives us some information that leads us to his coordinates so that we can locate him and put a drone strike directly on top of him. Not metaphorically speaking.
Not a real drone.
And Adriana's been doing an excellent job getting us connected with the right people in the industry to do those co-creations. People are pre-ordering the Buttercup 3 device from scootercoin.life, which is just kind of bizarre and hilarious, and we continue to look at interesting ways to use Scooter Coin in a fun way. One such way is what we're trying right now in this episode, so it's a good thing you're here. Did you notice the cutaway just a moment ago with Tom and Tomo, his cameraman? Well, this is how you enter the alternate world of Fakeception. Use the one-word answer to the following question to gain access and start the game. Tom wants Johan's coordinates to put a what on him. Tom wants Johan's coordinates to put a what on him. There's a link below that'll take you to a website. Enter your answer there and you'll begin playing. Thanks again for joining us, and catch you next time.